In the morning, usually I start my day with 10 to 15 minutes meditation. For breakfast, I have 2 toasts and banana today. Next, any workout for 30 minutes up to 1 hour. Anyway, this is my campus and dorm environment. It's pretty, isn't it? After that, I wash myself, do simple makeup and hairdo to feel good and motivated. Usually, I will work inside my dorm, especially if I have an important meetings or presentation with clients. But since I have no formal meeting today, I work outside. Today, I will work in a research room of my department. Usually, I won't bring my phone if I want to work to avoid distraction. But today, I bring it because I need to do this vlog. Okay, first thing first, I will write down all the things that I wanted to do today based on the priority. Usually, I will just set 3 things. First, I will do an elicitation activities for the new feature from client. It's called a personalized job recommendation feature. Second, solve stakeholders' comment in a high-level design document. And lastly, I will create the user stories in a backlog. I use the Pomodoro technique, setting a 25 minutes timer to fully focus, followed by a 5-minute break. After 4 Pomodoros, I take a 20 minutes break. During work, I often get interrupted by calls from QA and developers. If the discussion is complex, we may need a meeting to discuss about it. So that's why I only set 3 goals in the beginning to be realistic. Usually my team will have a daily stand-up before starting the work. It's where all members in the team share their work progress. During the stand-up, my goal might change based on the situation. For example, if there is a new requirement, I might need to do that first. But today it seems like I can proceed with the goals that I set. So first, doing elicitation activities for a new feature.
Elicitation activities refer to the process of gathering, discovering, and extracting information from various stakeholders to understand their needs, requirements, expectations for a project or product.
Okay, it's not that complicated, so let me give you an example. Let's say the client comes to me and they say that they want to create a personalized job recommendation on their existing website. But here's the thing. We don't know what is the goal of the feature, why they want to introduce this feature, what is the problem, what personalization data they want to show. Perhaps they want to introduce this feature to improve the user engagement and retention on their website, or to enhance user experience. For example, if you are a job seeker, you go to a job website, then you see lots of job posting. However, sometimes it's too much and not all listed job matches with your skills, experience, and your preference. So what can help you to find a more suitable job posting is to use this personalized job recommendation feature where you can filter the job result by job title, location, or company. So that's why this feature is important. During elicitation, we understand the problem that currently the job seeker having difficulty to find a job posting based on their preference. And the solution is perhaps to add a personalized job recommendation feature on the website. The point of elicitation activities is we need to ensure that the product we are developing are really solving the problem and bring value to the client. There are several ways to do elicitation activities. Usually I will have a stakeholder workshops. In this case, I might conduct workshops involving job seekers, recruiters, and website administrators who collaboratively define the scope and requirements of the personalized job recommendation features and gather perspective on how this feature can benefit all stakeholders. Or actually, we can do a survey as well to the job seekers. We can ask their ideal personalized job recommendation, what features that help them to seek job the most. So we need to think from the customer's perspective as well, because at the end of the day, customers are the one who use this feature. After the elicitation, I analyze all the information, collaborate with developers to think of a solution, create some mockups to give an initial overview to the client on how the a final result looks like, and create a high-level design document that includes the architecture, mockups, requirements, and solution that we are proposing. After sending the document to client, usually the client might have a feedback or comments on it. So I will need to resolve the comments or might change some solutions to adhere with their needs, which comes to my next task, resolving comments. And after all comments are solved and clients agreed with the document, we can proceed to create user stories in the backlog, my third task. So user stories are a format used in agile software development to describe a feature or functionality from the perspective of an end user or customers. User stories help the QA or quality assurance and developers to understand what the customers need and expect. Okay, so this is the example of a user story. We have the feature name, description that describe the feature's goal, why we want to develop this feature. Then the user story itself usually have the following format. After that, we have the acceptance criteria. It's really important because it ensures the QA and developer understood the requirements so that they can develop and test the correct feature. So yep, business analysts usually write user stories in a backlog that is accessible for all team members. These are examples of user stories written in a backlog. Finally, my work is done, and today I'm going to a hot pot dinner with my friends. Okay, so that's the end of the day. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoy it. Let me know in the comment section, what do you think business analyst life looks like? Like, do you find it interesting or you just If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to put in the comment section so that I can create another video to answer about it next time. Wait, before you leave, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.